Hi everyone, good evening and welcome to my channel. So I have recently opened up this YouTube channel of mine, and really I have been following a lot of bloggers over YouTube. So based on my understanding till date on the vlogging part, I have tried to open up this channel of mine. So let's see how it goes, and I'm quite excited about it. So basically, let me give you a brief introduction to you about myself. After that, I'll let you know what I'm planning to do with this vlogging channel of mine. So my name is Avik, and I am residing in Kolkata, Newtown Area 3, and I am working as a HR in a reputed company out here. And my hobbies are traveling, watching a lot of movies, and bike riding, basically. So these are some of my hobbies out here. And as far as traveling is concerned, it is one of the most important part of my life as well, as I love traveling a lot lately, traveling many times as well. Want to travel a lot of places along with me and my wife. So yes, I'm married. I got married this year only in February 2020, and after that, the kind of lockdown crept up in, and whatever plans I had to travel for this year almost went on for a while. So let's keep that aside, and things are changing right now, and things are kind of opening up. So once again, I'm trying to make some plans for traveling after staying back in my home like for about 8 to 9 months of lockdown stage. So yeah, this is it, and let me now give you a brief description about my channel, what I will be doing rather with it. So my plan is to make some kind of travel vlogs and as well as lifestyle vlogs. So I will start definitely with kind of travel vlogging itself, and lifestyle vlogging I'll do sometime down the line now when I will get more acquainted with the camera and the overall YouTube features, like what is actual vlogging. Then might be I will be getting more into the lifestyle vlog. So this is really one of my first time that I am saying so much of things in front of the camera, and I'm trying to really make an eye contact and with the camera, and also sync my words as I'm saying on the same. So for the vlogging setup, I have not invested much, to be honest, because this is totally something new thing to me. So first of all, I would like to try on with my rough idea on vlogging and how to start up the vlog. So for the camera and everything, I'm using my phone only. I am having a Samsung M31. So the camera is good. I like the camera, to be honest, and I am using for the mic my headphones mics basically. That would be the Boat Bass 102, and for the selfie stick I have got a new Chroma selfie stick. So this is also kind of good selfie stick. I got it in around 2k bucks. So my overall vlogging setup costed me around something in the range of 23k. So I haven't spent much out here because I'm just setting it up from my end. I will see how it goes and what kind of followers, how I can get the followers. I will see all those things, and how YouTube works, that is also important. And apart from that, as I said, I will be coming up with a lifestyle vlog sometime down the line, that I'll also work on. But as of now, I would start off with travel vlogging. So definitely, as I told you already, that I am working in a company, that is my full-time job. So I may not be able to come up with all I may not be able to come up with the contents, travel contents on a regular basis, because for traveling I definitely need to apply for leave, and every month I cannot get leave from my company. So might be 4 to 6 months sometimes while I will travel, I'll make the vlogging videos. And for outside travel videos like out of the state or all over India videos. And for bike vlogging or for motor vlogging, I would try to make some kind of motor vlogging as well. Actually, I ride a TVS Dot, so I own a TVS Dot. So that, on that, while I will ride, I will try to make some vlogs. So in this way, I have planned and structured this YouTube part, and let's see how it works. So there is a lot of work to be done. Just a rough sketch, just a plan in my head, and I need to execute it accordingly, because I need to side by side maintain all the other responsibilities, and apart from that, I am also maintaining this as one of my hobbies out here as well, which I like, and I like facing the camera, and I like showing my lifestyle to the people, to friends, to people. So definitely I'll get more awkward with it. So yeah, let's roll on. Thank you.